If you've ever hit rock bottom, if you've questioned your strength, your worth, or your sanity, if you've silently screamed into a pillow, wondering how to keep going, then this video is for you. Just a few months ago, I was shattered, and today I want to show you how I am learning to rebuild. Not by pretending that I'm okay, but by rewiring my entire mindset to believe that I can rise again. Why am I making this video? This isn't easy for me to share, but I made a promise to myself that I wouldn't hide anymore, that because for months I disappeared from this channel, from everything else, because the truth is I was going through hell. I wasn't just tired or overwhelmed. I was broken. I was scared, and I was trying to survive for me, for my son. But when I finally found the strength to leave, I didn't walk out healed. I walked out in pieces, but that was only the beginning. That was the moment that I chose myself, even if I didn't recognize who I was anymore. And now I'm doing the hard, the messy, but beautiful work of becoming again. And here's what I've learned, that leaving the abuse was just the first step. Leaving was just the first step. The real work began after. Because abuse doesn't just wound your body, it actually rewires your mind. It trains you to doubt yourself, to feel your intuition. It trains you to believe that you are not enough. And right now, that's what I'm unlearning. I'm rewiring my mind by practicing self-compassion, like not judging myself for how long this healing is taking or how long it took me to leave. I journal every single day, or at least I try to. Some days it's a letter to my past self. Other days it's just writing that I am safe now, and sometimes that's all I can write, and that's okay. I also say affirmations out loud even when they don't feel truly true to me, like I am worthy of love, I trust myself again, I am not broken, I am becoming, those kind of affirmations. And I am surrounding myself with people who pour light into me and not taking it. I lean on my family, my friends, my therapist, and I'm not afraid to say that I'm not okay sometimes, but I'm trying. And of course I dance, not for performance, but for healing. I let the music move through the pain and out of my body. And it's where I remember that I am still alive. I am still creative. I am still powerful. Let me be real with you. Healing is not a straight line. Some days I feel amazing. Like I feel strong and focused and I feel unstoppable. And the next day I'm in bed crying. And sometimes I get triggered by the smallest thing, like a word, a sound, a memory, and suddenly I'm back there, But you know what's different now? I actually don't abandon myself anymore. I don't shame myself for breaking down. Instead, I meet myself with gentleness and so much compassion, because I've learned that I don't have to fix myself. I just have to feel and support myself. And I breathe through it. I cry if I need to. I write, I stretch, I pray. And every time I do all of that, I come back to myself a little stronger and a little softer. I'm learning how to find purpose in the pain, because I believe that pain can become purpose. Not in a toxic positivity way, no, but in a real soul deep way. Because the things I lived through, they actually didn't kill me. They broke me open. And from that breaking, something new is growing. I'm rebuilding my life, but on my terms. I'm working on creating a business that helps others heal and manifest their own lives. I am dancing again, not to be perfect, but to be whole. I am showing up there, like for myself, for you, for anyone who's ever felt like they were not enough. And this is the rebirth. And you watching it happen in real time. So if you are watching this and you are in pain, I see you. If you feel stuck, lost, numb, I've been there right with you. And if you're telling yourself, I don't know how to come back from this, you can come back from this. But it will take time, it will take love, and it will take courage. But you are worthy of healing. You are worthy of peace. You are worthy of a life that feels safe, that feels soft, that is free, and that is fully yours. If this video spoke to you, please like it, leave a comment, and subscribe. This channel is about healing, it's about mindset, it's about creativity, motherhood, and becoming who you were always meant to be. And tell me in the comments, what are you healing from? Let's hold space for each other. Let's rise together. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.